this is an unboxing video that's a little bit different because what I'm going to do is empty my tool bag that I carry around in the dump truck, and I'm going to see what needs to actually go back and what kind of ended up there on accident. First of all, an empty package, garbage. This was a seat cover. I'll probably fold this back up nice and put it in there because on like a really rainy or muddy day, this might be useful. Definitely going back in the truck. Garbage. Zip ties, very useful, going back in. I have a variety of hand tools in here, so I've got to decide what's useful. Not even sure this was ever actually mine because I don't recognize it. $8 millimeter deep socket. I must have thought I needed it. Cheap socket set. Okay, so this one is not going to go back in the way it is. I forgot. I did actually go to use this once, but I think that maybe these should be together. Just a thought. So clearly the screws are missing and I don't know why. So I'll make sure I either fix this or put a different one back in here. Doesn't need to go back in. This was a plan to be able to add air at the back of the truck to be able to hook a trailer, but the back of my truck is just not correct for adding a pintle hitch, so I've decided not to put a trailer hookup on. So I will not put these back in the truck. These are air fittings for something. Probably good to have in there. Love me some vice grips. Gotta have the purple stuff. Thread lock? I probably don't need that in the truck. Maybe. I'll think about it. Definitely. Not sure why I have pointed vice grips, but vice grips of any sort are fantastic to have along. Lighter? It's good. Never know. Oh, these are for my brake chambers. I keep them in my tool bag. I apparently have a thing for screwdrivers. Okay, I have a variety of wrenches. I'll probably put these back in if there's room and they're not like flying around in there, but not sure how many of these I actually used, because in the field I was more apt to grab a more universal tool. Now these are all sockets that are needed for a variety of things on the truck. I would never use them in the field because I don't have an impact with me, but I found it nice to have them being the right sizes in case I do end up somewhere where there's an impact, or so I can easily find them when I'm back in my shop. I know they're for this truck. I know they're very useful on the truck, so I'll keep them in here so I know where they are. More tape. I don't remember what this goes to. I also don't know what these go to. I'll probably leave them in there just because. I had to replace this, so I bought an extra. I don't remember where it was on the truck though. It's for an airline, maybe one of the brake chambers. And some dielectric grease. I love this stuff. This is definitely going back in. And then whatever odds and ends fell to the bottom. More dielectric grease. A spare headlight, I believe, and I don't know. I'm not sure this is the best place to carry it. And spare marker lights. That's it. Let's get her packed back up. So what do you think I am missing in my truck tool bag? What do you carry that I didn't have here? Because I know there's a couple things that I'm going to add, but I'm just curious. What's your go-to on the road? Couple things I'm adding. Some hose clamps, clip, and more of these.